Do you love adventure, travel, and meeting new people? What if you could do these activities within an enriching and an exciting work environment? Take the first step toward working in a luxurious hotel, planning and managing events in worldwide locations, managing a 5-star restaurant, or by providing customer support while cruising the ocean. Los Angeles Pierce College offers a unique opportunity with an academic pathway that can be completed online or partially on campus. You can begin with a certificate in hospitality management and start working in the field. While working, you can complete additional coursework to receive an associate's degree with an opportunity to transfer to various bachelor degree programs in the Cal State University system. You will obtain extensive knowledge of hotel operations, food and beverage management, event management, and cost control, all while achieving various industry-recognized certifications within the hotel, restaurant, travel, and tourism field. If you have a passion for creating meaningful experiences and enjoyment for others, begin your journey today. Enroll in hospitality management at Pierce College. We look forward to meeting you.